Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. This is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa. I hadn't said that in a while, but I'm from a town called Slap Out in Alabama. It's in right below Montgomery, if you know where Montgomery's kind of central. So today we're going to learn how to get this snatched neckline. I have a lot of turkey neck and it hangs down. So the other night for ladies night that I do on Facebook on Thursday nights, I brought this paper up, and I'm going to show this again another time in this video, but we talked about all the different ways to contour your face. And so I did contour my whole entire face. I have a heart-shaped face. You can look at it and tell. And this will help you determine where your placement should be. You know what I'm saying? It works really well. So what I did the other night was I did this, and the ladies were like, wow. So all of them are trying it, and they've been messaging me and telling me that they love it. And so I want you to learn how to do it. So keep watching, and let's go get snatched. So the other night when I was doing ladies night, it was all about contouring your face. And it depends on what your face is shaped like. I have a heart-shaped face. And I printed this off for all the ladies. And I did put it in a picture. As a matter of fact, what I'll do, I'll link the video to that live that I did in the description box so you can go watch it. But which one are you? You know, I'm definitely the heart-shaped. I'm the one right here in the middle. And so I have never done my contour like this around my face quite like that. But that's what I've done. And I like it. I really do like it. So this is a diagram for you if you do not know how to contour. Now, today I'm only going to focus on, today I'm just going to focus on this, because this is where issues come in when you have this right here. And when you turn your head, you see, you know, it's just not snatched like it used to be. You know, I can pull it all up like that. You see what I'm saying? There you go. That's the way I kind of sort of like it. Well, you need these Youniques Wonder Sticks. These are great. They don't cost, I think, maybe $9 or $10 each. You also, these, when you see this color, that means they're the contour. And if you see pink, that means it's the blusher. I don't have any of the blusher. I need to try those. But, however, I use the one that is light, which is WSOR1. And this is 3, and this is 1. And look how dirty they are. I know, I use them a lot. That's why. I do. I use them. I use the light one every day. Every day. See the difference? I like this one because this one is not so dark. And it's easier to blend for me. However, you choose what you like to do. If you want it to be a little darker, this one is the medium, and this one is called fair. Okay? Or it's a light medium, they said. But it comes in lots of colors. So don't think you can't get it in your color that you need. So what I've done, I finished my face. You know, it's not perfect. I have brown spots and all that good stuff. And I'm not really trying to cover those up anymore. I'm just like, that's me. That's my friend. I might as well accept it, right? And I am going to look for something that may be a little more full coverage. Actually, today, I am wearing Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation. And it does have sunscreen in it. And it's a broad spectrum of SPF 50. It's pretty, ain't it? I like it. I mixed it with the RMS Concealer. Oh, and those two blended together look really nice. Now, of course, I've done a little bit of powdering, but you can see it still has a nice luminous finish to it. Now, ta-da! Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to do one side so you can see it. And how I can do both sides. We need to do both because you need to see it, okay? So this is what I do. Here's my jaw. Boom, right here. Now, if you want to put your finger here, you can to draw the line. I'm pretty much know exactly what to do now because I've done it so much. I'm going to take this and we're going to draw it right here. And yes, you got to make it where you can see it. And then we're going to come underneath the jaw and come over here. Kind of like a banana. Draw a banana. That's basically what it is. Pretty much. You're going to come here. And then you're going to come, you can come back this way, whichever way you want. Now you're going to have what? You're going to have that here. Some separation right there. There's a reason for that. We are going to put some powder there. And I may do the powder twice. I'm not sure. We'll see. But I'm going to use its. I'm going to use this right here. And I'm just going to use, I guess I could use this. We could use this. Let's use the original Beauty Blender and grab some of this its. Now this is the loose. You need the loose. And what you want to do is just pat this in here like this. Like that. Now I am going to come back and I'll probably add a little bit more light here, but this is the coolest trick I have ever seen. Now, one thing I do need to do is come back and do the turkey neck. Okay, so this is what I do for the turkey neck. Let me get the right color. I got too many things in here. This is the color I like. I'm a cool tone person, so I really don't need something like really a muddy red kind of brown anything. So that's why I use this. It just looks better on my skin. So under here, what we're going to do, we're going to draw a little triangle. And we're just going to fill that sucker in. There you go. Now, we're going to blend all this out. Don't worry. It's going to look so pretty. Let me go grab a brush that I want to use. And we'll come back and we'll blend this out. All right, I'm going to demonstrate on this side because I think this side would be too hard for you to see. You can actually see this. It's a beautiful sunny day here, so it's perfect light for what we're doing today. So basically what I'm going to do is we're going to blend under here. I'm going to blend under here first. And this is going to give me the more snatched color under here. And yes, we're going to set all of this with some powder. So when you put the powder on it, it's going to really lighten it up. But it's going to look so natural. I just love it. I do. And so here, you just want to come through here. Blend this part in here. Come underneath. And what I like to do is just connect and kind of blend. See that? Oh my gosh. Now, it's not going to stay this way. So don't think that, you know, it's going to stay like this. Because we are going to, the powder is the key to this. It is. The powder is the key. The powder gives it a very soft appearance. So that's what we're after. I am going to come back and add a little more powder. See, I put the powder there first because I wanted to have it to set just a little bit. Now I'm going to come back and I'm going to add some more powder. Girlfriend! I like it. I do. Every time I do it, I'm like, wow. Ow. You need to do this. Okay, let's put the powder. Now, I am going to put a pretty good bit of powder. I'm still going to put it right through the middle, right here. Like that. And then we're going to put it over, let me see where I'm at over here. It's hard to tell. I like to put it like right through that jawline, right through there. Now, go get you some coffee or whatever it is you like to drink. And leave this. Leave it. I usually walk around and get my coffee and do whatever, and I just let that sit. I let it bake. That's what it's called, baking. And so I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes, and then we're going to come back, and I'm going to blend it all in, and you are just going to love it. Okay, girlfriends, let's do this. I think you're going to really love it. I do. I think you're going to love how this looks. It's going to blend in so pretty. And yes, I'm going to bring some of that powder around down here too, okay? So you're going to see, look at that. It already has the look, okay? We're just going to soften it. That's it. That's all we're going to do. Okay. Ta-da! This is the brush I'm going to use. I do not know where this brush came from. It is my granddaughter's favorite because it's purple. So I'm going to use it because it is. It's a really nice fluffy brush. You could actually use a bigger brush if you want to, something like this. This one here, you know, that one's fine too. But this one is like, I like the way it's shaped. It's like a mushroom or something, and it really does blend out nicely. So this is what I do. I just kind of blend it in the side, and it really does soften everything. And you don't have that, it looks natural to me when I get done. It just is perfect. Look at that. I love it. I know y'all laughing, but hey, listen, this girl here, right here, she's always trying to do this hair, which I don't have. And this is Dora's hair, actually. It's clip-ins. I didn't feel like washing my hair. I'm trying to do like 3 days. This is 3rd day, and I just, you know, I can't do anything with it because my baby fine hair just sucks. I'm just going to tell y'all that now. And when it's clean, it's good, but when it's 3rd day, you just might as well forget it. But these are really nice. They come in lots of colors, and you put them on, and I don't even know they're there. They're very thin up here. They clip in around here. And then, you know, I don't have to worry about my hair. And it's perfect. And it allows my hair to just kind of rest a little bit instead of getting so much washing and hair drying. That's the problem. Okay, look at that. Now, the last thing I'm going to do is we're going to take a little bit of this Revolution. It's very pretty. I love it. You know this. This is a bubble balm here. I'm going to use my little brush here. This is BK Beauty's, what, 112? Yes, 112. So we're going to take some of this. I love this. It's beautiful on the skin. Little tiny brush. And you just kind of place it right up here. I got a pimple. I'm 61 and got a pimple. I do love to put this right here. See that shine that it gives? It just is beautiful. And what I like to do is run it here, here, and on my chin. Just a little. Right up through here. You don't need a whole lot of it. And it's not like, it's very, very soft and forgiving. And this is Bubble Balm. It's rose gold. And I like rose gold on me. What do you think? And then the very last step is this. We always do Revolution Fix and Glow. And I go ahead and use my mist. That way I'm setting everything. Boom. It's not going to move now. That feels so good when it hits your face. It really does. It's very cooling and it lands and it's very soft. And you're just like, ah, it's refreshing kind of. That's what it is. But shake this up because this is, if you're new and you don't know what this is Revolution Fix and Glow Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Look at that. Let me swirl it around. See all that going in there? Girl, that's going on your face. And it's going to look so pretty. And I'm going to get this same old Beauty Blender. Beauty Blender is getting a workout today, isn't it? And spray it. Now, you can, this can be wet if you like, it's already wet or something. It doesn't matter. And just bounce it right across here. I like to do this because a lot of times when I'm at my desk at work, I'm sitting like this. You know what I'm saying? So this really does help it not to move, and it stays in place, and I still have that nice little sheen shine all day. And you can put it anywhere. You could actually spray your whole face with this if you want to. I just use it in spaces where I want it, or places where I want it. Okay, what do you think? Ooh, I hope you go do this. Please try it. Look. That's like, I love it. I can actually turn my head and go, yeah, that looked pretty good. That looked pretty good. I like it. Maybe I need to blend. No, I got brown spots there. I ain't going to blend out, girlfriends. This is not going to happen. It's like that one. There are no blending brown spots out. So, oh, I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope you go and try this. Please go try it. I think it's really fun to do, too. It's just fun to be creative and try new things. And you might get this nice little line here, and you might like it, too. It look great in pictures. Yes, think about that. And so please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays, and I hope you learned something today, and I hope you go try it. And I will post the link to my video where I actually did my whole entire face down in the description box, like I already said, and maybe one other one there that you can watch. I have a Youniques by Melissa on Facebook. So if you're on Facebook, you can definitely click that link and go and watch those, because I do Ladies Night on Thursday night, and it's live. So I pretty much go live every day, but Ladies Night is my fun night. I don't have to rush or do anything like that. So that's why I decided to do the contouring and just take my time and talk a little bit about the things that I love, which is this hair. All right, I will see y'all next Sunday. Y'all have a great and fabulous week. See you later.